So in this video guys, I will show you step by step how to generate voice in Google AI Studio after the new update using your mobile phone. So the first thing you should do after you open your mobile phone, now go to your browser. After you open the browser, so tap on the search and type in AI Studio. So type in AI Studio like this. So from there it will give you this option aistudio.google.com, or just type in Google AI Studio. After you type in Google AI Studio, it will give you option like this. So tap on this first link. So after you tap on this first link, the next thing you should do, you click on this get started. So after you click on the get started, so now it will take you to this option. So if you scroll to down like this, so the next thing you should do, you click on this three dot on your browser and then scroll to down and make sure to check on this desktop site. So after you change your studio to desktop site like this, so the next thing you should do, let me zoom it in for you. So now you click on this option where it says speech and music, this one. After you select the speech and music, so the next thing you should do, you select this one, the last one, Gemini 3.1 Flash. So select this one. So after you select this one, so the next thing you should do, then now here are different voices that now Google AI Studio has been added as an update. So now if you want to use one of them, the next thing you should do, just now go and select the first one, this one. After you select the first option, so by default, as you can see now, it will looks like this. So the next thing you should do, so there is an update that's the update has been added, that been added is this update was called scene. So let me show you the update, this one. So before there is no option for your scene, but now Google has added this option for your scene. So now the first thing you should do, you clear all the scene. So you clear all the scene, you leave it just blank. So I'll just delete anything from the scene. So after you remove everything from the scene, just leave this option as blank. So the next thing now, if you have a specific tone or a specific simple context that you have been using to like train your AI to use it before, so just go and type in this option now, like this one. So most people have their own like prompt they have been using to add in this option. So just go and add the prompt that you have been using. Just tell the AI how your sound how you want that your sound to be. So after you type in after you type it in this option, after you type in your context in this option, the next thing you should do, you click on this option now and select the voice. So you click on this option to select the voice. So now here are different voices. Now in this update now they have added some voices that are not available before. So you go ahead now and play all the voices and select the one that you want to use. For me, I want to, let's say, use this one. So after you open this option now select the voice you want to use. So let's say I have been using this voice. I'll scroll to down and select the voice that I have been using. So here is the voice, Shedra or Corey. Let's say I want to use this one. After you select the voice, so it will give you option where it says current, like this one. So it means I have selected this voice. After you select the voice, then you zoom it out like this, and then you tap on this option. So from there, the next thing you should do, now you add in your text in this option. So after you add in your text in this option now, for this, after this update now, the Google AI Studio has limited how you add the text in the Google AI Studio. So now if you have like long prompts or long text, long script, you have to just divide them into just different parts. After you finish, then you can go ahead now and join them in your editing. So now I added my text in this option. Then scroll to down, I'll click on this generate button or run. Scroll to down and click on this run. So now I'll wait it to finish running my text. So as you can see now the voice has finished generating. So now my voice has finished generating. Oh, I just tap on somewhere in my audio. So now the voice has finished generating. So the next thing you should do now, just zoom in your screen. After you zoom in your screen, then you'll be able now to see the download button at the bottom. After you click on the download button, so from there the audio will be downloaded into your device. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.